you serious? Really? No. Where the fuck are? There's no way. If we're where we're at, if we're where I think we are, we're like, oh man, are you shitting me? I'm right back at my fucking house, man. I didn't even know you could get over here. What a fucking piece of shit. Waste of fucking time. Ah. Alright. Well, fuck it. I can't even get lost in Texas. Jesus. That's funny as fuck. To me, at least. I know it's probably not at all funny to you guys, but to me it's funny because that literally came out of nowhere. I was so far away from my house the way I went that I didn't even realize how actually close I was to my house. That's so fucking stupid. I try to get lost. Still a nice house though. Look at this fucking place. Okay. Let me get a crib like that shit, bro. Coming up over the railroad tracks here soon. Moo-moos. Oh, the Rabbit Festival's tonight. Let's take a little ride by the Rabbit Festival. See what that's looking like. What's up, girl? I have this tether on my GoPro. So, on my camera, yeah, so it... Oh, shit. Here we go. Oh, no, I lost it. Fuck. That's what I did not want to happen. It's rightfully frustrating that thing just fell off. My buddy lent it to me just to fuck around, and he wanted me to see if he liked it because he's not riding. That was like a good ass time too. Festival of Rabbits. Apparently it's a big festival they do here in Copperas Cove. Old Rabbit Fest. Oh damn, I'm not hitting this traffic on the way back. I'm about to say fuck. Damn, bro. We were gonna go. I guess we could walk. But I don't see that happening either because I'm lazy as fuck. Please don't pull out in front of me. God, please. You stupid motherfucker. Okay, I'll just wait here at this red light, I guess. I don't really have much of another choice. Oh, really? We literally just went. I'm gonna move up. Let one of these cars run over the thing. Like legitimately cut into pieces pretty much. Yesterday I was riding by the post office and some bitch in a van pulled out, like literally she cut off traffic in her own fucking lane. She pulled out right in front of me and I had to swerve out of the way, but I did it like a fucking pro because I'm wearing this jacket, like I said. It makes me better at everything in life. So I like rode next to her for like a mile, I want to say, and I had my finger up against her glass on her window. It was funny, but I was riding next to her, and then so she gets in front of me, And I'm just going to my house after that. I wasn't pissed off anymore. I cooled down and shit. And so we're going to my house. I'm going to my house. And apparently she lives not that far, like down the street from me. And there was a shit ton of turns to get to our neighborhood. Well, so this she's taking these turns, and I'm taking them with her, not like following her or anything. Like I said, I'm going to my house. So she starts panicking, and I start noticing it. And I'm watching her, and every turn she makes, she's looking in her rear view, she's turning around looking and shit. And then she just finally starts peeling out around turns, and I'm just following her in the bike, just normal as can be, watching her go. And then by the time we get like to her house, I just rode past and went to my house. I swear that lady had the weirdest look. She thought I was gonna kill her, man. That shit was so funny. I think it was worth it after what she did. I think it was pretty funny. It was a good ending to that whole situation. I just wish I had my GoPro on, but I didn't. What the fuck are those things? Dude, like every 2 seconds I'm finding like a fucking beetle or something on the road. What the fuck? They're everywhere. I want to get one. There's another one. Oh, Jesus. Just got hit in the face by a butterfly. Another one. Another one. Another one. Damn. This is the time for June bugs, and I'm going to hit them. I'm going to squash as many as I can find. I hate them. I hate them. There was one in my daughter's crib last night. Blink. Blink. Oh, I will find you, June bugs. Oh, now you don't. Now they know I'm coming. I see. When you get up to this curve here in the morning, not this one, but the next one. But the rain kicked up the other day, and you see these tracks here. Shit. That's from all the tanks and whatnot coming through here. They bring that gravel with them, especially right here. Oh, fucking. Oh, they came out to make a little cameo. But this gravel right here on this part of the road is always shitty. Please chase me. Oh, run, bitch! Okay, this is not good for me. Because if these little shits get scared, I'm so fucked, and their parents are gonna kill me. That's Texas problems right there. I gotta see where this road goes. Who in the f built this road? Oh, cattle crossing, you don't f***ing say. Nice out. F***ing buck. Oh. Is that a deer? There's a deer in the street up here. Come on, I'll figure out where the f*** I am real quick. Pop a little gum in my mouth. Shit. Or not? Oh. Okay. Old Georgetown Road. What? Oh, okay. Okay. Cool. I'm not that far off. Apparently I keep going straight. I told you can't get lost around here. Even if you fucking try. Like, I took 2 roads, I don't even know where the f they go. And I always ended up back at my house. can't fucking escape it. Oh, these lovely things here. I don't know how many of you guys have these where you're from. These are called cattle guards. And they keep those precious little cows that you saw earlier in their fucking little area. Keeps them in their little area so they don't come out and mess with the rest of the world. There's a cigarette. Alright guys, well I guess I'll just cut it off here. Sorry, not much to talk about today. But I figured I got the camera, so why not do a motovlog? But yeah, thanks for watching. And shoot me a like or a dislike, or definitely shoot me a subscription though. That'd be nice. And thank you. Alright guys. Bye-bye.